Fantom at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move after rejecting at a key area of resistance above the 0.5319, and this is playing out after we saw an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.5352, and at the time of this recording we are now holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, and also above a significant key area of support above the 0.4618. And on today's video I will be discussing my short-term pullback target areas where I'm expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count too. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening since the 5th of August when we saw a massive breakdown move. We started a very nice recovery to the upside where we first peaked in this Elliott wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliott wave count 2. Continued to see higher prices in the formation of this Elliott wave count 3. Saw a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliott wave count 4 before we finally peaked in this Elliott wave count 5. And having seen a complete 5-wave structure to the upside, we completed an even larger Elliott wave count 1. And having seen the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1, whatever we expect next is a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, which perfectly lies between the 0.3962 and the 0.3634, and this is an area that I'm expecting that Fantom is going to fully maximize in the next coming hours. So for the next coming hours, we need to continue paying a lot of attention to this significant key area of support above the 0.4618, because if by any chance we get a breakdown move losing this significant key area of support, then I will be expecting further breakdown moves in the next coming hours or maybe days into this blue target area, get a low in place for the second wave before we can see another bounce back to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive Elliott wave count 3. We also need to have in mind that we can see a pullback to support on the 0.4618, find support, maybe see another bounce back over here, and in case we don't see a break above these significant highs, then that will still be suggesting that we still have more downside for the next coming hours. Then that will be suggesting that in the next coming hours we are going to see further breakdown moves, losing support on the 0.4618 until we fully maximize our minimum target area in this Elliott wave count 2 within this blue target area. So that is the price action that I'm expecting for the next coming hours, and those are my breakdown target areas, and I've given you the significant key areas of support that we also need to continue holding. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.